I'll start the session with which one to choose and what matters, money or the approvals. Yeah, put the presentation, please. Myself, Dr. Santosh Kumar Mahapatra. I am working as the Chief Medical Officer at JPM Rotary Eye Hospital, Cuttack, Odisha, and a veterinary surgeon too. It's not moving. So, the anti-VEGF, that is now has become the epitome of retina care. And it has a good number of members to the WISE Council, which includes bevacizumab, ranibizumab, brolucizumab, aflibercept, biosimilars, and newly introduced Farimab. These anti-VEGFs have different structures and different mechanism of action. Like bevacizumab is a full antibody, ranibizumab is monoclonal humanized antibody fragment, aflibercept is a VEGF fusion protein, and brolucizumab is short chain variable fragment. But we are going to at least know what is approved, FDA approved or DCGI approved, and how does money play in our decision making. So the aflibercept is approved for all these indications, which includes neovascular macular degeneration. Dr. Krishnendu, you can join us, please. Neovascular AMD, polypoidal choroidal vasculopathy, macular edema following vein occlusion, diabetic macular edema. In all these, it is approved. And it acts in a dual trap mechanism, and it's a long-lasting VEGF suppressor. But the cost varies between 40 to 50,000. Ranibizumab, it is again effective in diabetic macular edema, AMD, myopic CNVM, being used in ROP, and macular edema due to vein occlusion and others. But the original molecule is not approved for ROP, but biosimilar ranibizumab is. So it is again a VEGF antagonist, but the cost is between 25,000 to 30,000 for the original molecule. I am talking of the original molecule. Then the bevacizumab, which was initially the most used one because of its low cost, but it is not approved for any of the diseases by FDA. But DCGI later on has allowed to be used in Indian population. So the cost here is between 8,000 to 10,000. Brolucizumab, which has been available to us since last 2 years, is approved for both diabetic macular edema as well as neovascular age-related macular disease, which was originally the approved indication. And also, we also use it in vein occlusions too. So it blocks both VEGF1 and 2, and is a smaller molecule and has a longer duration of action. But the cost is between 35 to 40,000, sometimes more or less. And the biosimilars. Biosimilars are nothing but the molecules which are very similar to the original drug with a smaller modification. And there are many number of biosimilars available in the market, which includes Rajumab from Intas, Ranitidine from Reliance, Bizumab from Cipla, Rani Eyes from Lupin, Osiva from Sun, and upcoming ones like Alkem and IQVIA. Approved indications include AMD, PCV, DME, RVO, ROP and myopic CNVM. But here are some challenges like administrative challenges and clinical challenges. And the final decision depends upon when we met in real world scenario, which is, I think, the affordability. We have different schemes in central government as well as state, like in Odisha we have BSKY, which covers all the biosimilars as well as the original molecule, but for biosimilar you don't have to struggle, straight away we get approval. Hence it also determines the injectability. And for ROP, we have to think the approval part also, which is ranibizumab is biosimilar is approved, but according to the literature, the larger molecule bevacizumab acts better, but it is not approved. So the confusion continues. Like we have to consider all these factors: disease severity, affordability, insurance coverage, government schemes, patients, so overall economic as well as systemic conditions, and finally doctor's dilemma to decide which one to inject. Definitely money matters. We have put a chart like this in our hospital so that everybody can see and decide. Sometimes I ask to take a photograph of this and you can come back after taking a decision. So we are still confused between the approvals and the affordability. But we have to take a decision taking all the factors into consideration.